Imagine a city with no cars at all. No traffic, no horns, and just people. City 1, Venice, Italy. No roads for cars, only canals, boats, and walking paths. The city moves on water. City 2, Zermatt, Switzerland. Gas-powered cars are banned. Only electric taxis and bicycles are allowed. Clean air, quiet streets. City 3, Mackinac Island, USA. Cars have been banned since the 1890s. People travel by foot, bike, or horse-drawn carriage. City 4, Giethoorn, Netherlands. Known as the Dutch Venice. No main roads, just canals, bridges, and boats. These cities prove that life doesn't need traffic to move forward. Would you live in a city without cars? Follow Hidden Earth Travel to discover places the world built differently.